Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel Educational Corner. I hope all of you are doing well. Today on my viewers demand, I have got some extra and important questions from Science NCERT book Curiosity Class 7 chapter number 3. So as I was requested to put some important questions related to chapters, so here I have got some important questions from chapter number 3, that is electricity circuits and its components. So these are some of the extra and important questions from the lesson. So let's get started. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Dash is used to run appliances like mixer, grinder, etc. Options are water, air, electricity, none of these. So what do we use to run appliances which are there at home like mixer, grinder, refrigerator, television? So the correct answer is electricity. Question number 2. All electric cells have dash terminals. So all the cells, electric cells, they have how many terminals? 2, 3, 4 or 1? So the correct answer is 2. They have two terminals, positive and the negative terminal. Question number 3. The metal cap of electric cell is the dash terminal. So the metal cap, when you see an electric cell, there is a metal cap on one side and on the other side there is a metal disc. So the side which is having metal cap, it is a positive side, negative side, negative terminal, neutral or none of these. So the correct answer is positive terminal. So the one which has metal cap is the positive terminal and the one which has metal disc, it is the negative terminal of the electric cell. Question number 4. A combination of two or more cells is called a. When we combine two or more cells, it is called what? It is called a cell, it is called electricity, it is called a battery or none of these. So when we combine two or more cell, this combination is called battery. So the correct answer is battery. Question number 5. The glowing thin wire inside the glass bulb of the lamp is called. So a thin wire which glows inside glass bulb of any lamp, it is called wire, cell, filament or none of these. So this thin glowing wire, it is called filament. Question number 6. Full form of LED is light emitting diode, line emitting diode, light effective diode or none of these. So here three options are given. Either these are, any one is the correct one or none of these. So the full form of LED is light emitting diode. Question number 7. Dash do not have filaments. Either it is a torch, LED, bulb or none of these. So what is a filament? Filament is a glowing thin wire which we see inside a lamp. So what do not have filament? Torch, LED, bulb or none of these. So the correct answer is LED. Next question. Longer line in the symbol for a cell represent its dash terminal. So when we have learned symbols at that time also, it has been explained that the longer line, when we draw a cell, in that the longer line represents its dash terminal, negative terminal, battery, positive terminal or cell. So the correct answer here is the positive terminal. So in a cell, longer line shows positive terminal and shorter line shows negative terminal. Question number 9. When a current is switched on in a room heater, when we switch on the current in a room heater, what will happen? It becomes hot and emits heat, means it becomes hot when the current is switched on, when the button is on. So it will become hot and give out heat. It will cool down, or it does not emit heat. It will not give any heat. None of these. So the correct answer here is it will become hot and it will emit heat. Question number 10. Switch in circuit is placed. When we are using switch in a circuit, where do we place it? Either left side of the battery, right side of the battery, anywhere in the circuit, or none of these. So the which is the correct place for switch to be placed in a circuit? So the correct answer is anywhere in the circuit. Question number 11. The circuit in which electric current flows from one terminal of a battery to the other is called. So a circuit in which the current flows from one terminal of battery to the other terminal, it is called closed circuit, open circuit, electric circuit, or none of these. So the correct answer is closed circuit. Okay. Question number 12. The current can pass through the LED in dash direction only. So in LED, electric current can pass in how many directions? One direction, two direction, three direction, or none of these. So the correct answer is one direction. Question number 13. A simple device that either completes or breaks a circuit is called a. So a device which is very simple and either it completes or it breaks a circuit. It is called a circuit, switch, battery, or none of these. So the correct answer is switch. Question number 14. Representation of an electric circuit using symbols is called its dash diagram. So when we represent electric circuit using symbols, it is called which diagram? For example, we show battery, then we show switch into it. So which kind of diagram it is? Either it is a battery diagram, it is a circuit diagram, it is a cell diagram, or it is LED diagram. The correct answer is circuit diagram. Question number 15. IEC stands for, what is the full form of IEC? International Electrotechnical Commission, Indian Electrotechnical Commission, International Electricity Commission, or none of these? So here the correct answer is International Electrotechnical Commission. The material through which electric current can flow easily are called. So the material through which electric current can flow easily are called conductor or good conductor of electricity. Okay, so it is called conductor. Options there are conductor, circuit, insulator, and none of these. Okay, so the answer is conductor. Question number 17. Dash is an example of insulator. So insulator are bad conductor of electricity. The materials which do not allow electricity to pass through them, they are called insulator. So we have options here: plastic, silver, copper, and gold. So the correct answer is plastic. Plastic is an example of insulator. Question number 18. Electricity from batteries usually power small devices is a type of. So electricity, uh, for example, when we charge our mobile phones, small devices, these are called of which type? Either they are direct current, alternating current, circuit, or battery. So here the correct answer is direct current, DC. Question number 19. In the symbol for an LED, the dash points to the direction in which the current can flow. So when we talk about the symbol of LED, there is a particular thing which points to the direction in which the current flows. What it is? Either it is a square, circle, triangle, or rectangle. The correct answer is triangle. So the triangle points out in which direction the current is flowing. Question number 20, which is the last question. In our mobile phones, we have battery of dash cell. So in our mobile phone, we have a battery of single cell, triple cell, double cell, or none of these. So here the correct answer is single cell. So in our mobile phone, we have battery of single cell. Okay. So with this, I have completed all the important and extra questions of this lesson. I hope these questions will be useful to you. So I'll see you in my next video. Up till then, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.